Okay, I was noticing a recent post here in that some of these links are not activated. So I wanted to just demonstrate how to fix that. So let's edit this page. And we find, for example, this email link is not functioning. So I'm going to click this little paperclip thing here, which says Insert or Edit Link. That automatically fills in the email address preceded by mail to, which is something you need. I'm going to just check the options, and I'm going to say I want that to open in a new tab. I don't want to replace the site, the Weiss website, because you want to keep people there, not lose them to another window. Anyway, so you can always edit this, and when you're done, just apply, and you're all set with that. So that's something you can just update the post, and you can view it over here. And you can see now that when I roll over it, it's underlined. And if I click it, it opens up my Gmail in order to send and create a new email. Okay, which has the right address filled in. Anyway, so let's also just see how to make this live. This is another link. I'm not exactly sure why you would want to link back to the same page. Not sure that makes sense, but I'll show you anyway how that works. So here again, you highlight this line, you click the paperclip, it fills it in, and again, we're going to check the settings and say, well, it's on our website, so we don't want, it's okay, we're not going to send them away, so you don't need to click that. We're going to update that, and we're all set. And then we're going to preview the changes. And once again, you can see that that's got a line under it. And if you click it, it actually stays on the same page. So that might want to be changed to something something different, such as the home page, for example. Now this one's a little curious because I found that this really is not a proper URL. That is not your Twitter account link. It's actually, where did I put it? Found it right here. I was not aware of this. And even though it has a cute little shortcut, what you need is the entire URL here. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go back here. And what you need to know is this can always just be words. So if you say, let's make that a link, you paste that actual link in there, and then you make sure it opens up in a new tab so we don't lose you. And that's that. But as you can see, these words are not really clickable. But let's take a quick look of how it appears. And you notice the Twitter, this, if you look in the lower left, you'll see that this displays the correct link in the lower left. This displays really just the main page of Twitter, so that's not of use. So what we want to do is go back here and make sure you can fill out the text here. So, or follow us on Twitter, and I'm going to just write out the words at Weiss Law. You know what? I need to just type this again. So we're going to say, let's just delete this. You don't want to use that at sign because it kind of confuses. Here, let's put this here. Kind of confuses the code. So now if we go preview, you can look here and you'll see that it's really text words that you want to have. Follow us on Twitter at Weisla Market Alert. So if you look at the lower left, it'll be the correct one, and if we click it, it goes to the right page. So that's another little trick. Let's finish this off by doing this one. And again, paperclip. Open in a new link. It already has that. And we're done. And now we're just going to update the post. And there you have it.